First, I want to say, before you mess with any electrical wires, go into the furnace, shut the circuit breaker off, and make sure the furnace isn't getting any power. And now I want to, and I'm not an electrician, but I want to show how I put this generator transfer switch in line with the power supply going to the furnace. The point is, I didn't want to mess with any wires in the furnace, so I just put it in line with the power supply line. And this is the wire coming from the home circuit breaker. The wires were marked utility for utility supply. And the wires here were, two wires were marked load. So this is the wire that's going to the furnace. And I did add an extension box just to give me a little more space inside the existing box. It came with the transfer switch. And make sure everything's grounded. And I used just standard twist connectors to make the connections. And I just wanted to share this with you and try to keep it simple.